Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Monroe County, southwestern Decatur County, Brown County, southern Bartholomew County, northern Jackson County, northwestern Jennings County, until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:28 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Nashville to near Bloomington, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bloomington, Columbus, Seymour, Nashville, Elizabethtown, Jonesville, Waymansville, Freetown, Narbonne, Grammar, Spurgeon's Corner, Yellowwood Lake, Azalea, Monroe Reservoir, Woodville Hills, Elkinsville, Cortland, Charles Dean Wilderness, Stonehead, and Story. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 50 and 70. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for central, south central, and southeastern Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Bartholomew, Brown, Decatur, Jackson, Jennings, and Monroe.